everyone, my name is Jeff Beauchamp, sales consultant at Here Motor Products. Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the lane keep assist feature on your GM vehicles, and today we're going to go over the Chevy Equinox. Let's go for a drive and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so driving down the road, you have to be driving 60 kilometers an hour or faster for the system to be activated. And on the steering wheel here, you can turn it on and off, and a orange light will illuminate to let you know that the system is activated. Okay, so once you're driving above 60, the system is activated and a green light will illuminate in the center of your dash. The system uses a forward camera located in the center of the windshield here, and it's looking at the yellow and white lines in front of you. Now, if you're to become distracted and you're going towards the center of the line, the system will actually steer you back to the center of the lane. You can override the system at any time by just turning your blinker on, and it knows you want to do a routine lane change. And if you were to do a routine lane change without your blinker, you can actually override the system quite easily, and you'll just feel a gentle little tug. Okay, so another feature of the lane keep assist is the rear cross traffic alert system. It uses side detection modules located in the rear bumpers, and it's looking left and right at traffic approaching. So we pulled into a laneway here and we have it in reverse, and we're ready to go back onto the highway. And when a vehicle approaches, two things are going to happen. The left or right side of my seat is going to vibrate, and the left or right side of my screen here is going to flash at me to indicate that a vehicle is approaching. And here comes a car right now. My seat just vibrated and it was alerting me that a vehicle is approaching. Thank you for tuning in to another Tech Tuesday at Here Motor Products. If you have any questions or have any systems you would like us to touch base on next week, just leave it in the comment section below and we will be sure to go over them.